This tutorial will guide you to the everyday use of your Creatista Uno machine and show you how to prepare your coffees. To start, fill the water tank with fresh potable water. Turn the machine on by pressing Ristretto, Espresso or Lungo button. The buttons will flash while the machine heats up for approximately 3 seconds. Push the cup support to unlock and accommodate a small cup. Lift the lever, insert a capsule and close the lever. Press the espresso button to extract and to enjoy an espresso coffee. Your coffee will stop automatically. To adjust your coffee volume, lift the lever and insert your capsule. Press and hold one coffee button you want to adjust among Ristretto, Espresso and Lungo. Release the button after desirable shot duration. Adjusted coffee volume will be saved for next use. Thank you for watching this tutorial and enjoy your Nespresso Creatista Uno machine.